What is up, guys? Woody3 coming at you with another vlog. As you can see, my truck is not in the garage, and no, I did not sell it. We're actually going to get it detailed, and here it is. It's actually in the process of getting cleaned right now. I'm going to show y'all the little process that they go through. Right now they're cleaning the wheels and everything like that. So we are getting this truck ready for Freddy's event. And obviously for October Truck Madness. Because I do plan to have my truck out there, even though I'm not going to race it, but it is going to be out there just so you guys can check it out. So that's why I'm getting it clean. They're actually going to go ahead and clean it inside and out, clay bar it, and wax it. And I'll get the guy out here to talk to you more about what he's actually going to do to the truck. That way, if you like what he does to my truck, you could definitely contact him and book him to come do the same thing to your vehicle. Alright guys, we're here with Abraham. He's going to tell you a little bit about his business.
Alright guys, so right now we're going to do a little wax polish. Like I said, if you are ever around the Conroe area, Woodlands, Willis, Huntsville, Spring, Houston area, hit me up. Come to you, mobile, hit me up, man.
And you do everything, right?
Everything, interior, exterior, polish, carpet and seat extractions, leather cleaning, engine bays, polish wheels, you name it, I got you.
So there you go guys, like I said, you're going to see what he does to my truck. So you can hit him up. I'm going to leave his link down in the description with his number, or you have an Instagram?
Yeah, I got Instagram, yeah.
Yep. So I'm gonna leave his Instagram there. That way you can message him. He'll give you a price. He has different packages, so you can definitely pick the package that's best for you, and he'll definitely get you taken care of. Obviously, he's gonna do it to my truck. You can see firsthand his work, so stay tuned. Hey bro, what are those for?
Oh, so these are for the hose. You know, when you struggle, you get stuck and you go back and untie it. Same thing, this right here. Slide smooth. You got no trouble. Makes the job easier for you.
Yeah, that's convenient, huh?
Oh yeah, man, it makes the job 10 times faster. You don't have to stop every 10 seconds to untangle it. So it works, trust me. Get them on Amazon, 10 bucks.
There you go guys, no quick tip. All right, bro, what are we about to do?
All right, so right now, like I said, we're gonna foam it again, and we'll come back with the clay bar. What it does is smooths your paint. You know, sometimes by the eye, we can't see the roughness of the paint. If you touch it with your hand, if you feel like sand, you got contamination in your paint. So the best tip I can give you, clay bar. That's the best thing. But if you do clay bar, you might have to do polish too. But like I said, first thing first, clay bar.
All right guys, there's some clouds over there, so hopefully we can get it waxed. It does look like it's about to rain. It's very dark over there. I don't know if the camera can get it, but it is pretty dark over there. So like I said, they're about to clay bar it. It does need to be in the water when they clay bar it. But yeah, you can see those clouds. Those are pretty dark. So hopefully we get the truck done in time. I know these guys are trying, but if not, we're gonna go ahead and he's gonna do everything he can today and maybe finish up tomorrow. Today is Friday. Freddy's event is tomorrow, so we want to have this truck looking good for tomorrow. If he does have to come tomorrow, hopefully it's just waxing it, pretty much just finish his little touch-ups. So we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't rain and he can do it all today. So I'll keep you on touch. But right now, guys, it's crazy. He like washed it already once. To me, I guess it would have been done. It would have been good, but he's washing it again. So I mean, I don't know how to do this. This is not what I do. To me, I just wash it one time and I'm good. This is why you leave it up to the professionals, because obviously they know about all that stuff. So let's go ahead and let them keep on working. Hopefully we can get it done.
All right guys, so right now we're gonna do a clay bar. Well, this is the clay mint, same thing. So right now, if you can hear a little bit, I don't know if you can hear it, sounds like sand. After a couple passes, it should be smooth like butter, like baby cheeks.
Smoother than a baby's bottom.
But nah, like I said, you start slow, 4x4, or maybe like a little section like this one, up and down, up and down, up and down, side to side. Now it's like smooth. You can feel it. It's not sandy anymore. That's all the contamination on the paint. We can't really see. So, good tip.
Yeah, so that's crazy. I would have never thought that, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, like I said, a lot of people think you can just go in the car wash and, you know, get your polish, get your wax. But like I said, it takes time, man. This job takes me about 3 or 4 hours. just the wax and polish. Imagine if you want to get 2-step, 3-step, that's a different story, man. It takes about the day.
But you do that also, huh?
Yeah, I do all kinds of, like I said, this is a 1-step polish, just a little enhancing in the paint, make it look nice and shiny. It removes about 50% of the swirls. But like I said, I recommend this if you're just trying to look something quick. But want to do a little extra, like I said, 2-step, 3-step, I recommend it.
There you go, guys.
And if you use it straight like that with water, all you're gonna do is scratch your paint. So whenever you use a clay bar, it has to be any kind of soapy water, or you can even buy a clay lubricant specifically for clay bar, but this is the cheaper way. If you go with clay lubricant, it's a little bit more expensive for a little tiny bottle, which is gonna last you maybe like 2 cars, 3 cars, vehicles, whatever. Yeah, man, like I said, I recommend you with the Canon, hit it, and as you can see right here, sections, slowly, side to side, never in circles. Because you do circles, you do more swirls.
It's not like Mr. Miyagi?
Wax on, wax off.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I mean, we play around like that, like wipe off, wipe on, wipe off. But like I said, it's always straight lines all the time.
All right, there you go.
So the hood and the roof is the most contamination parts of the vehicle. And those are the ones that you gotta be careful on. You know, you get lazy, you don't wanna get on the top of the ladder and you just say, F it. All right, well once later on, you gotta realize that the rooftop is full of water spots, bird shit, tar. So that messes up with your paint. It goes under the clear coat. It tells me you're gonna pay more money to get that out instead of just taking the time and maybe a little clay bar to freshen it out, just like that. Next up, we got the iron remover. So what this does, you hit it with the clay, rinse off the car, then you hit it with the iron remover. This removes anything left behind by the clay. So this is extra, extra, extra clean. You get all those contaminations. The effect of this, it turns purple if the paint is contaminated. So we'll see right now if it turns purple, then we got a little work to do.
So if it turns purple, you just gotta redo it with the clay.
Like I said, this basically tells you, it removes it and it helps the paint. So whenever I come back with the polish, you don't want to polish contamination because all you're gonna do is make that more swirls.
Right.
All right, so like I said, I'm trying to make the paint as smooth as possible.
And you were telling me right now what happens whenever they start waxing and they think they leave swirl marks?
Yeah, so what happens is if they didn't clay the paint and I have a new vehicle, I don't need a clay, I'm just gonna polish. No sir, because you can't trust the paint. You always gotta make sure that you clay it first, come out, iron removing it, and then polish or wax it. Like I said, that's the best recommendation I can give you guys. Take your time if you care of your vehicle. The paint's important because, like I said, the wax is gonna prevent it from water spots, bird poop, even tar from the trees. Sometimes if you park under the trees, it protects the paint up to 6 months if you take care of your vehicle. Wax is one of the OGs, but like I said, right now we got the ceramic, and it's something I could do too. So like I said, hit me up. Iron remover is next.
All right.
Then the wax.
So the thing about iron remover, this shit smells like eggs.
Yeah, it does.
So like I said, if you can't stand the smell, I get it, you know, maybe it's not for you. But like I said, I don't really care. You know what I mean? My fellow smell first.
What?
Alright guys, so right now, smooth like butter.
Nice.
Alright, so we're gonna come and dry it. After we dry it, we're gonna make sure there's no more drips coming out, and then we're gonna start the polish. So let's start. As you can see, smooth. It dries up quick. When the water stays on top, that means that there's no protection on the paint.
Alright guys, I don't know if you guys with the NBS is, but I got a little leak coming from here, and I'm guessing it's from the little antenna thing, or whatever that is, I don't know. But it seems to be dripping right here. I just don't like it because it looks like I pissed myself or something.
And I pissed in my pants. I'm still sitting in my my dirty pee pants.
We're gonna take care of that obviously once we get to Mr. Exclusive, but for right now I just kind of want this clean because it's not gonna sit in the rain anymore, just so we don't have this nasty stain here. I mean, this is the only stain on the interior. All the seats are clean, everything is real clean. This truck was very, very well taken care of. When I took the panels off of here to do the mirrors, you can tell it's never been pulled apart. It has the panels. Oh damn, the tree just, damn, that would have been bad. Damn tree. Well, you can tell the panels have never been pulled apart because it still had all the plastics, everything like that. Nothing was broken. All the seals were gaskets where they were supposed to be. So this truck has never been taken apart, which is pretty cool because I'm the first one that's messing with this. And obviously anytime you're messing with the truck or any type of vehicle, you definitely don't want to have somebody else's project. So I think that was pretty cool that nobody's messed with this truck.
What, you want to go ahead and start the polish?
Yeah, if you think it's good, I think we're good. It seems like the clouds are going.
Like it went this way.
Yeah, so I think we should be good.
So you see how your paint looks a little bit cloudy?
Yeah.
That's because the paint hasn't been touched in a while, man. Like I said, you need some love, you know what I mean? So like I said, with that polish, it's gonna remove all that cloudiness off the paint, make it pop.
You're gonna give it some love, huh?
Oh yeah, it needs the love.
Yeah, boy.
Man.
Damn, bro, you're prepping it like you're finna paint it.
Bro, like I said, you gotta be cautious with the trim. You can hit it with the polisher and it can fuck up your trim. Like I said, it turns white, so you might stain it. I ain't trying to stain this baby right here. Like I said, it's going out to y'all, so I'm trying to take care of it.
Yeah, I appreciate it, I appreciate it. There you go, guys. That's a little extra details that they do just to make sure that they don't mess up any of your stuff. So I think that's pretty cool. He's doing that. And his cousin, is your cousin or your brother?
My brother.
Okay, his brother's doing the inside. So yeah, it's a little dirty. I did use this truck for work for about a week, but no big deal. It's good now. Now it's gonna be nice and clean. So there it is right there. Just gonna get down on the carpet. What do you think, guys? I know this is a race truck, but should I switch this to the newer one? I don't know, comment below, let me know. Definitely need power windows.
Oh my God! See, shiny, boy.
Yeah, you can definitely see the difference between that and that.
Yeah. And then just one pasada, I still gotta do another two.
Oh dang.
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro. Yeah, it's gonna look really clean, huh?
Oh yeah, it's gonna look nice. I'm telling you, it's gonna pop.
Yeah, it is gonna make that red pop. It's already making it pop right now. Look, this one looks dull. This one looks nice and bright and red. So I can't wait, guys, but we're starting to feel some drop. Hopefully it stops so we can go ahead and finish what we gotta finish. But man, that's crazy, guys. It's just one pass and it already looks that much better. He still needs to do 2 more passes. I can see why it takes so long and why it's a process.
So what I'm doing right here, I'm spraying out the polish. Because if you put a blob of polish and just start going, it's gonna sling everywhere. So you gotta spread it out, turn on your polisher, spread it out evenly. And then, full speed. Put your microfiber towel, and it got to be specifically that 360 from the rag company, or any kind of polishing rag.
Yeah, so you mean they have different kinds of microfibers?
Oh yeah, I'm telling you, every just for one reason, man.
That's crazy.
You got your polishing towels, you got your drying towels, you got your interior towels, your wheel towels. But look at that. Woo! Shiny.
Damn, that's crazy.
Alright, next time I'm just straight starting, man. This is the beginning.
Yeah, look at that, guys. He actually went ahead and polished my headlight for me. It was a little yellow, but man, he just went pretty much one pass on it, and he brought it back to life already.
Compared to the other one, you'll see.
Yeah, let's go see the other one. Yeah, look at that, guys. See that? Damn. Alright, guys, I don't know if y'all can tell, but this half of the truck is pretty much done, and this is not. You can see how it's shiny, but not as shiny as this side. You can see the red really popping out at you. But man, guys, like I said, definitely well worth it. That headlight looks a whole lot better. Right now he's gonna work on the roof. get the roof all done. His brother's still working on the inside. He's doing the windows right now. Alright guys, they're pretty much wrapped up. They're just getting the last minute details. But man guys, look at this wax. Definitely made the paint pop a lot more. It's clean. But the thing about wax, now that the truck is all waxed, now you can see all the dents. So that dent's coming out a lot more. There's a couple right here on the door, but like I said, when we get a color match, we're gonna go ahead and get all that fixed. The truck looks a whole lot better, just in time for the meet. Hey bro, you did a good job on this thing.
Hey man, like I said, I take my job serious, man. You know, I wanted to prove a message that, you know, I do take my time, try my best, give out the best results with, you know, what the customer wants. Yeah. You know, so like I said, you wanted a polish and a wax, and like I told you straight up, you know, it's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna pop the paint, and it's gonna make it way better.
It looks a whole lot better. We're still gonna finish the wheels and pretty much wiping it down, so we're almost there guys.
Yeah.
Just taking off the tape, huh?
Yeah. Look at that. Said it protects it from any kind of damage while you're polishing. Because like I said, you can accidentally hit the trim, and yeah, it can come off, but like I said, it takes elbow grease to kind of take it off. But like I said, it just prevents it from any kind of harm to the trim.
A few moments later.
Damn guys, truck looks sick. Look at that, clean the wheels. Everything's already clean. Dang, all the trim is clean. Even this top piece right here is clean. This trim, nice and shiny. I like the way they did the wheels. It's not all that they're still wet. It just looks nice and shiny. Definitely like the way what they used. All the windows are clean. Interior. Look at that guys. It even smells good. He put some air fresheners in here. Those little air fresheners, he put them all in the truck. So it smells really good in here. Damn bro, I don't even want to touch it. It looks so good.
Yeah man, like I said, it takes time bro, but once it gets there, you don't even want to mess with it. You just want to love it. But like I said, yeah man, like it takes time. What, it's been since what, we got here like around 2 almost. Yeah, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 5 to 6 hours. 5 to 6 hours. Yeah, but like, you're happy, right?
Yeah, of course, man.
That's what I want to hear, man. You know, I was trying to get the customer what he wants, and like I said, I did my best on this truck. You know, it's a one step. It wasn't perfection, but it looks better. Nah,
all I wanted was to bring the paint back to life. And
yeah,
you did that, man. You did that for sure.
Hey, like I said, way better now. It's ready for tomorrow, right?
Yeah, it's ready for tomorrow.
Good.
And we were able to get it done because that rain was playing with us.
Like I said, that if it wasn't for that rain, it would have been finished earlier. But you know, it messes with you.
Where can they find you?
You can go on Instagram for Prime Touch Auto Detailing. My name's Abraham. I have 3 different packages from $50 all the way to $400. But like I said, it depends on what you want. It's all what the customer needs. Look me up on Prime Touch Auto Detailing. You know, I'm your boy. So make sure y'all hit me up.